my name is John Coughlin. I'm the CEO of Linder Industrial Machinery Company and Linder Turf and Tractor. Today we are at our open house in Greensboro. We have had a great turnout. It's a facility that's only been open since November. So we're very excited to share this new facility with our clients. Greensboro is a growing market. We see a need to serve this market with a large facility, and we've been very fortunate to acquire this right on the interstate of I-40. The construction process, D.H. Griffin did all the horizontal work, and Looper did all the building, so good teamwork. You'll see a very distinct setup in the Greensboro facility with a focus on both the earth-moving road building and the Kubota side. A new product for us is Deutz Fahr tractors, an excellent tractor out of Germany. This gets us into a larger tractor position, up to 340 horse, very high quality, state-of-the-art tractor. It will align very well with the Kubota products. In this 29,000 square foot facility, we have state-of-the-art parts, a wash unit out back that speeds up the time that we can clean equipment, 2 10-ton cranes, and a large 10-bay shop. And also 7 service vehicles performing the necessary repair work. The comments from all of our clients were very, very positive, and we couldn't be happier to be in a position to serve them with this fantastic facility. It's been a great turnout, great day. We're very pleased to be here and have a strong relationship and business partners in the community.